This is important for education because it really is about building teamwork, and I think education, we all come from a skill set that we think is the most important. And when we're working, especially in special education, we have to put all of those components together in terms of making it so that the end result is what is best for children.
Meet Dr. Susan Whittaker, principal of the Summit Academy in Getzville, New York. I conducted a creative problem-solving workshop with all 300 staff members of the Summit Academy. This session led to a year-long project that was designed to infuse creative problem-solving methods into the Academy. What was it like to be in the session?
Really exciting. Very, very exciting. It really was very open and natural and really good dialogue about what we needed for education and how people could come together and do the teamwork, do all of the things that we as educators can spend a lot of times at meetings without having any resolve. Even our directors, our CEO and our COO came to the session, so we saw people from the whole agency coming together, and it was amazing. The dialogue, the relationship building, the smiles, the excitement.
How are you different as a result of the creativity training?
I'm seeing a group of individuals that I lead that I feel like I'm making a difference in their lives. I feel like I'm putting together and putting a system in place that they can use not only in their professional careers but also in their personal lives in terms of any problem solving that they want to do anywhere in their lives. We're not judging what other people are thinking. We're in line with coming up with a common goal for the good of children.
I'm Roger Firestien. Thanks for watching.